Hello, all of you. Today we have with us Dr. Sucheta Manchari, ma'am. And I think the introduction that I would like to give you is she's a very loving mom at the first. And of course, a perio subject topper, a beauty pageant holder, and a subject topper with a university merit holder rank. So I would like to ask her that one student that what would she given as an advice to perio PG, which she has received back there.
So, first of all, thank you for introducing me so well. You are an inspiration yourself, and I have followed your journey as well. So, can you please repeat the question?
Yeah. So, what is that one piece of advice that you would give that you had wished someone would give you?
So, I would like to tell my students to not focus that much on the marks because that's something nobody ever told me. I focused a lot on my marks and it did help me. I won't lie about it. It did help me, it did boost my confidence. But it's not everything. In real life, once you step out, you realize that your marks do not define you.
Yes.
And your marks do not define your career. Yeah. So it's important to do it, but it's not everything.
Yeah, absolutely. So, ma'am, what is the most exciting part of perio practice that you feel?
So, honestly, with a lot of experience, I've come to a stage where I can see a patient's mouth or I can see a clinical picture and a radiograph, and I can predict whether I can save that patient's teeth or not. When a patient has gone to 10 different dentists and everybody's told him a total extraction, and when he comes to me and when I am able to tell him and with assurity, give him assurance that these are the teeth I can save and these are the teeth I will not or I may not be able to save. And when I actually deliver that, the happiness that I see on the patient's faces for having saved their teeth with predictability. So that is, I think,
Yeah,
the
I
best
think
part.
for patients also it's a huge win because as dentists we become a little less emotional with saving and not
Exactly.
but for them it means the world, I think.
And I think everybody is nowadays inclined towards removing teeth, replacing teeth, and implants. It just become that thing. But I feel always try to save the patient's teeth if the patient wants to save their teeth. If that is the patient's motivation,
Yeah.
save it. And if you cannot, then you go for whatever replacement. So
Yeah. So I think ma'am is always very positive about perio as a practice and we need more voices like this. And I think it's really commendable that you are an inspiration to many to pursue perio. And I think that itself is going to change the world shortly. And like, what would you say? What is the secret formula to thrive in perio practice?
see, now I'll tell you one thing. Because perio is an underdog, a lot of people do not want to pursue perio and people do not have a lot of knowledge about perio. Because of this, what this it was the problem, but the problem is becoming a benefit for the periodontist because you have less and less competing periodontists out there.
Yes.
So if you are a good periodontist and you have the skill to deliver what you promise, then you're going to be at the top of the crowd.
Yes.
Trust me, because um over a period when it's a problem that everybody wants to escape that branch, yeah, in the future it's going to become a blessing to be a part of the branch.
Yeah, I think
Yes.
that's a very good perspective.
Hmm.
And like when I started the MDS counseling, that was the exact thing that okay, I should do something which people are not doing.
Exactly. So everybody says that there's no scope for perio, but that's exactly what is going to give you scope because nobody's going entering that field.
Yeah, that
You look good there.
very vivid. Thank you so much for your fresh perspective. And I hope it reaches as many people as possible so that you change their mind and we bring about some small changes in aspiring MDS periodontists, hopefully.
Let's do it together.
Yes, ma'am. Definitely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Right.